Playing against Accra Suffolk na Kumasi Asante Kotoko, one of the biggest events na our calendar. So now God being so good, Kotoko etimi a clear way. Yehu in the season a Kotoko Asha Accra Suffolk home and away. So for that one has been successfully cleared, and Kotoko next biggest move Ibusa and Mpenifo can say it is going to be the appointment of Kumasi Asante Kotoko new board and management eda kwema empanifo eda babon tinze you know across full Kotoko ashomo wi. It is big, it is huge. Now the next biggest thing ever the eminent appointment of Kumasi Asante Kotoko board and management. Medical Council said some of the members of the IMC, and as a members of the IMC no the new board, they are going to find a role where they are going to place them, including the management. Into Enkomodieno, Ashasia Bibia Elkoso. By the end of the season, Bibia Ebe yet fine with regards to the appointment. Kotoko Ebeko, there be Kotoko Besat Nefi, Abo Great Olympics, because first leg, Kotoko Eko away, but Obonifie. Now, Great Olympics game, Ebeba so Babara Sports Stadium, because after that, Kotoko Ebe travel to Tamale. We are in the last game, Kotoko abo before kwatano home. So 3 games are for Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. But only there for now. We be say and sheda matasa Kotoko ye ward could beat magic or 3 points na wahesa ubitima bora top 4. The next biggest things is here Kotoko no appointment of board and management. Idina yetitino as in when say baby ano ye bro the super 24 TV no so wadarama o ta he na subscribe ya bosoma me na yengru na hade me see information no e wi ase to hope ye de bebro the super 24 TV. I'm say on the screen so ye more about so